It sure has been exciting to watch NASA for all of us. And I'm sure for you, but must be a real challenge to secure that environment. Tell us what's happening. Give us an overall sort of, I want to say global picture, but I guess I have to say solar system or beyond.
No, it's funny. I heard what Shane was talking about that, and it's a lot of what he's talked about. It mirrors my world as well from that standpoint. He mentioned zero trust. That's something as well as what we started doing a few years ago at NASA. It's not anything new. We've been doing it for a number of years. Enterprise logging, we've got that or whatever, but we're expanding that out so that we have greater visibility across of what's actually happening, within our infrastructure, both on-prem as well as our cloud infrastructure around that. We also recently went through a large look at the endpoint detection and response for threat hunting, as Shane kind of had touched on as well from that standpoint. So we're in the process of implementing a new threat hunting capability across our entire enterprise around that. We're also digging into Secure Access Service Edge, what a lot of folks refer to as SASE, so that we can, look at, moving away from, I'll call it the traditional VPN accesses and stuff like that, and move more into taking advantage of a lot more of the new technologies and stuff out there. And then, again, as Shane kind of mentioned, just the overwhelming volume of alerts and everything that's feeding into our security operations center as well and stuff like that. We're actually partnering with another part of NASA to start using automated bots, if you will, within our cybersecurity operations to start taking away some of our, I'll say our common playbook response stuff around that and stuff. So that's some stuff that we're really kind of leading into there around that. Again, things are just really moving at such a quick pace to not only just keep up with the amount of technology that's out there, but at NASA, you talk about leading forward and stuff as far as research and everything that we're doing to for the Artemis program to go back to the moon and Mars and beyond around that and stuff. So it's really trying to stay ahead and working with our partners. And we got to do that balance of making sure that we manage risk. That's one thing that we really concentrate over here. It's not so much that we have to, I'll call it, lock everything down. You can't really do that these days. You got to manage risk. And at NASA, we take risks, right? I mean, that's what we do over here. So it's really working closely with our partners to ensure that they can perform the research and the missions that they need to do, but we do it in a secure manner in managing risk.